So, hello, hi, and welcome again to Noostime FPL. So, in this video, we will be addressing the scout teams for the next game week, which is game week 17. Considering that happens, that is. So, I will go first with my scout team. So, yeah, for me, I have Pope as my goalkeeper. He is facing West Ham, I believe. Wait, he's facing Fulham. Yeah, he's facing Fulham. So that's the reason why he's in there. And in terms of points, also he's second, just behind Martinez. So Pope would be a good pick for this week. I have opted for the 4-4-2 formation, the basic one, not the 3-4-3 this time. And slowly I'm getting my confidence back. That defense is also a good point of investment. So for me, it's Size, Justin, Tarkowski, and Robo. I am liking Tarkovsky because this is the first season I'm seeing him, and he's doing.
You have jinxed it. You have jinxed it. You have jinxed it.
We talked about Tarkovsky, and he's returning great. So basically, I'm doubling up on Burnley. So let's see if that risk will pay off. I have Saiz who is playing against Brighton, so I have kept him somehow. I have Justin, Robbo, which are obvious picks. In my mid, I have Salah, Bruno, Zaha, and a differential Aubameyang. Aubameyang is playing against West Brom, but it would be difficult for them to break their defense. I know that because Big Sam will be parking their bus, but I think Aubameyang may be getting a tap in or something, so I am just keeping him for the bands. And my front two, I have Kane and DCL, the obvious picks. They are there because they have to be there. So yes, we cannot talk about last game week's scout scores because that game
No
week
one played.
is no one played. That game week is cursed, and I think we should not speak about it anymore.
About it anymore. Yeah.
Yeah, Arvind, what about you?
Yeah. So about my scout team, I'm sticking with the usual 3-4-3 formation. So actually, Burnley would be playing. Let me guess. Burnley was playing Fulham, so I wanted Nick Pope, but these two guys they say I copied from them, so I'm going with Patricio this time. I'm going with Patricio this time. Like jokes apart, I saw the game they had against Manchester last night, and he did manage 2 or 3 saves. Like I think he is in form, and they're playing Brighton next, so hopefully he'll get me a clean sheet this game week. The defense would be three fullbacks. One is Bellerin from Arsenal, the other
Jason,
being
jokes apart. Why? Why are you still joking?
Yeah, this is kind of a gamble. So let me just a second. Yeah. So Arsenal is facing West Bromwich, right? So I wanted that clean sheet point from Bellerin. If they can't keep a clean sheet against West Brom, then that's of no use. Even Liverpool did
I
not.
know
So
another team. Yeah, I know other
yeah,
team who did.
yeah. And Chilwell because of obvious reasons. Yeah, Pranav.
Yeah, I think there are two teams who did not keep a clean sheet against West Brom. One was
Yeah.
Manchester City and one was Liverpool. So after Liverpool, the coach got sacked, and I think after drawing against City, I think they are also considering sacking Big Sam also. It's not acceptable for a big club like West Brom.
Yeah. So the next one is Chilwell because of obvious reasons. Like if someone is assisting in their team, it is Chilwell, and they are playing Man City next. So that is that. And the next one is Justin. They are playing Newcastle. So clean sheet points or assist points. So
Justin is in
any
good
one of the
form.
two. Yeah, any one of the two is welcome. If you get me both, I would be happy. Uh, I have 4 players in the mid. Have made quite a few changes. Suraj, don't look at me like that. I am getting in. I have already had money in my last scout game week as well. I believe like he has a pattern and he'll be scoring. He'll be having a scoring streak this week as well, and they're facing Southampton, right? So not an easy fixture considering the form Southampton is. But if someone is scoring, then it would be one of these two, Salah or Mane. Rashford and Fernandes will be the next two picks that I have from Manchester United. They are playing. They yeah, they're playing Aston Villa. So Fernandes, obvious choice. He's getting good FPL points, and Rashford, I think he's in form. He got that deflected goal last game week also. So that is that. These are the players that I have. And in the front three, I have made quite a change. I have thrown out DCL. I got in Cavani. I already had Kane and Vardy. So Vardy was also my captaincy pick. So I have said the reasons before. Kane, I want him to shine. If he performs well, I do well in FPL team. And the new pick is Cavani. I want Bruno Fernandes and Cavani magic to happen. So,
Hmm.
and in the second half only.
It reminds me of the day you got in McTominay in your FPL team.
Yeah, he did shine after 10 game week, so
Yeah,
that is
yeah.
not the. Yeah, so this was my scout team. I've made some changes, unlike the usual ones that I have set and forget types. So, what about you, Pranav?
Get ready, get ready. So the first boy in question is Ali Sion. He plays
Listen.
for Liverpool, I
Mm-hmm.
think.
Is he
Second
good?
is I think he's okay
Mm-hmm.
as long as he does not have COVID. Second is Robo, my usual pick. Regulion, my usual pick, and Size because he has a big forehead. I don't know how somehow he manages to score every time. Unlike I think after the game against Wolves, Maguire also did a coaching lesson with him how to use his big head to win headers. You might
Even
be
last
seeing
night he
Maguire
had
score.
some pretty good chances.
Yeah, you might see Maguire now scoring a lot more goals, but not next week. So this formation is a little different. I'm going all out in midfield. I have five midfielders. All of them are like high quality players in the name of Zaha and Saka. and I have Rashford, Fernandes, and Mohamed Salah. I have said goodbye to my two Tottenham players in the hopes that they actually do well in my actual team. So Vardy and DCL up top.
Guardian TCL up top.
3-5-2. We are okay with 3-5-2, I think. Yeah, I think the graphics guy did not expect me to go with Guardi.
Yeah, that's the thing. He has kept Kane, so please fix it. So yes, those are our captaincy choices. Sorry, the scout team for the next game week, if it happens. So we will be releasing more such videos. We will be doing the usual podcast soon. And yeah, do mention in the comments how your game week went, how many of your starting 11 actually played. So yeah, we will be releasing more videos. Do subscribe. A lot of you guys haven't subscribed, even though it's free. It's not Twitch, it's YouTube. So do subscribe, means a lot. Like, share, comment, and do not share this video with your mini league rivals. So yeah, that was Team Nose Time FPL signing off. Bye.